Hi, hello. So I'm getting ready to pack for a quick overnight trip for a funeral, but I just wanted to show you what I'm packing for carry-on because that's important. And I get asked this all the time when I go on trips. Can you show us a packing video? I'm not really showing a packing video, just I'm showing you what's in my luggage. So here we go.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
So sorry about the noise, it's a fan, it's hot in here today. This is my Calpac carry-on size, and basically we have a pair of flip-flops over here with contacts, oatmeal for breakfast, beef chomps because I didn't have turkey, and then liquid IV as well. We have on this side, it closes like this. So I have my Kendra Scott jewelry in here, my Tory Burch sandals for visitation tomorrow, and then a little pouch here. We have Eagle Creek. I love using their compression system. Container Store sells them. So I have my jewelry in here for the visitation and my outfit for the visitation tomorrow, basically the memorial. And then we have our Stony Clover from Target. This is the medium size, and I love my Stony Clover packing cubes from the Princess collection that they did. So I thought I'd give this a try, and this is actually really nice. So we have the funeral dress because it's to wear blue and he liked the Dodgers. Then we have our plain outfit going home. We have two pairs of t-shirts, one for a pajama shirt and then one for gym because I have to keep my mile walk up. We got two pairs of shorts, my knee strap for the treadmill, and that all fits nicely in there. Undergarments in here, which is a little Vera Bradley packing cube that I love. Then we have this little packing cube from Target, Stony Clover as well. And since I'm gluten and dairy free, it's hard for me to find food, and especially where I'm going, so I am being prepared with Enlightened Bada Bean, Bada Boom. My trainer recommended those, love them. We have RX bars and Tone It Up cookies. Not my ideal, but if I can't find anything, it's better than nothing. So always come prepared. So we have that. So this whole thing fits nicely in here. We're gonna put our pajama shorts in there tomorrow morning. And then we have a clear plastic bag just in case we need that for anything. And then this goes on top like that. And this, and right. So we are gonna flip this side over. So we get this in the France Pavilion of Epcot a couple years ago. Love blue and yellow, and it has all my charging cords. We have this with my curling iron. This suitcase holds a lot, which is a blessing. We have a little purse to go, Rebecca Minkoff purse to go with this. Then we got this adorable little case as part of a set from Box Lunch. And as you can see, it has all my hairspray and things are carry-on. We had to go to Sephora and buy carry-on size recently, which I haven't done that in a while. Glasses, contacts are in there. We have my sneakers for the gym with headphones, socks, premium cotton rounds because I like to use those for makeup removers, and toner on the face. They're soft. I just thought bring the whole pack, don't need it, but bring it. We have our Lily Pulitzer, and this has all my face like moisturizers, eye creams, toner, skin roller, whatever you call that, like for the face, and all that in here, and this is a perfect size. Got that with gift of purchase, and that fits perfectly in there. So this is what this looks like. Then we are using our new Target Stone and Clover big pouch. I like that it has the handle. It's heavy. I'll show you. I'm gonna go through it tomorrow and see what makeup I really need, since it's not really a trip for looking glamorous, just showing up for support. So we have toothbrush, 2 different little toothpastes because fresh breath. Then we have our Vera Bradley Little Mermaid case with all our eye makeup. We have Epsom salt for tomorrow, eye patches for the next morning. Then we have, this is the set that goes with the 7 Dwarfs. So you can see it's the Snow White, and it's all my face powders, like blush, setting powder, all that. So got that in there. It really does hold the lot. We are thinking of carrying on our People magazine, our book that we're reading, The Giver of the Stars. Love that. We have our masks in here because, yes, I still wear a mask on the plane. I just don't feel comfortable yet, but that's a personal thing with low immune, so that's me. Then this is another not Vera Bradley. The bag is Vera Bradley. Good lordy. This is Stone Clover Target, and it's all my liquid IV, more RX bars and snacks, umbrella, and then we have tissues if we need it, and of course for our friend there, Elsa, we have our little bag from Etsy that looks like Stone and Clover, but it holds all my liquids, so just easily carry that out. And this is still a mess because I'm deciding if I'm taking this, sunglasses, roller, fan gum, all that. So that's where we are. Alright, we just landed, got some coffee, and we have our bag. And we're just waiting for our shuttle. Alright, we just checked into the Residence Inn, and they upgraded us to a 1-bedroom suite. So this is what we have. You come in and there's a little closet, and then you have a kitchen over here with a full-size fridge. Very nice. Little stove. Then you have a dishwasher, sink, coffee maker, microwave, cabinets. I'm hoping. Okay, there's cups and things in there. And then you have a dining room table, the coffee that we just got. Then you have a couch, which I'm guessing is probably a sleeper couch for somebody if they needed it. TV, desk, separate bedroom with the doors. So you come in here, you got a TV, nice looking bed. Then you have nice mirror, sink, and bathroom. Not bad. And that's what we look like right now. So we're probably gonna get ready for the gym. We just got done in the gym, and it's saying we did 1.86 on here and a little under that on my app. So we are at the Alamo, gorgeous downtown.
Does this
Right.
thing smell good?
We just got in the car from the airport and Mr. James picked us up.
Hello.
So we treated him to a cup of coffee. And it's a cold and rainy day here. It's in the 50s and raining. We don't like it, but that'll do it for this quick trip. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to tell your friends
And family.
to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Bye.
Bye.
Bye.